फिर बता दें कि पीएम मोदी के खिलाफ अपोजिशन की सफबंदी इस वक्त जारी है। कोलकाता में मेगा रैली हो रही है जिसकी क़यादत ममता बनर्जी खुद कर रही है। इस वक्त रैली से चंद्रबाबू नायडू खिताब करें। आपको सीधे वही चलते हैं।
Election committee opposed it. Even this government force, even on Rafale, this government has given wrong affidavit to the Supreme Court itself. That is how they are misleading the nation, misleading the court, and also everything. You are to aware of all these things. Farmers issue, they are not bothered. And at the same time, on corruption, they are doing their best. Even here, they denied HAL, which is the premier organization of Government of India. Now they have given Reliance, which is they don't have any experience. It is only a startup company. That is how this government is doing all fraud in the country. Even if you see demonetization, after demonetization, all ATMs are closed. We are not getting money even in bank. Even after demonetization, nothing were found. That means this government wanted to play politics rather than development, rather than any improvement of the economy. Even GST is a fraud. Today you are seeing economic growth rate is stagnant. Earlier, better than this, economic growth rate take place. Today, for the last 4.5 years, it is only average 7.3%. Earlier, it is better economic growth. Because of economic growth, there is a problem of employment and also so many problems, so many crises we are facing.